Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Stuck between the SONY 28-70mm F3.5-5.6 FE OSS and the Nikon Nikkor Z 16-50mm f/3.5-6.3 VR lens? It's a tough choice, especially if you're figuring out your lens lineup.
The Sony, a renewed product, is priced around $226. It looks like a great all-arounder. But is the versatility worth the cost, especially considering it's not brand new?
It definitely feels robust, and that 28-70mm zoom range, super versatile. Think about it. You could go from wide-ish landscapes at 28mm to decent portraits at 70mm, all with one lens. Plus, it's got that optical steady shot.
The Nikon, on the other hand, is around $199 and asterisk tiny. I mean, 1.26x, 2.76x, 2.76 inches. Perfect for travel. But how does that compact size affect its capabilities and image quality?
Good question. Let's break it down.
Okay, so the Sony 70mm reach lets you get those tighter portrait shots with a bit of background blur, which is nice. But it weighs a pound, and those extra inches make a difference if you're carrying it all day.
Exactly. And that optical steady shot is a lifesaver. It compensates for shaky hands, giving you sharper images, especially in lower light. Think shooting at dusk without a tripod.
The Nikon has vibration reduction too, which is great. But the big difference is that 16mm focal length. You get a much wider field of view. Imagine capturing sweeping landscapes, or squeezing into tight spaces. It's like getting more of the scene in a single shot.
Here's the kicker. The Sony is designed for full-frame Sony E-mount cameras, while the Nikon is specifically for Nikon ZDX format cameras. That's a huge difference.
Right. So if you're planning to upgrade to a full-frame Sony camera in the future, the Sony 28-70mm is a better long-term investment. You won't need to buy another lens when you upgrade your body, but if you're committed to Nikon's DX format, the 16-50mm is a fantastic compact choice.
It really boils down to your current camera system and your shooting style. Are you a wide-angle enthusiast, or do you prefer a bit more zoom for portraits?
If versatility and potential full-frame upgrades are your priority, the Sony is the way to go, despite being a renewed product.
But if you want a super compact, travel-friendly lens that excels at wide-angle shots, and you're sticking with your Nikon DX camera, the Nikon wins hands down. Both are solid lenses. It just depends on your specific needs. Happy shooting, and choose wisely. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.